All right, I just wanted to cover our digital day assignment as a video in case any of you guys had questions or concerns as you tried to navigate the assignment. To begin with, you're going to start on Schoology, and I assume that you're on Schoology if you're viewing this video. There are two ways to access the assignment. We have this folder down here in our course materials, and then we have a calendar entry as well. So if you open up the calendar entry, it gives you some basic information, but you can click into the assignment simply by following this link here. Alright, so once we're in the folder, and just to show you guys, if you just follow the folder here at the bottom, it brings you to the exact same place. To warn you, depending on the device you're using, if you're using your phone or a mobile device to complete this assignment, when you click into the folder, it's going to look different. There's going to be simply a list of things to click on, and you'll just click through each one individually until you've completed each of the activities. But if you log in your computer, it's going to look a lot like this. So what you see here at the top is a presentation, and this presentation you don't necessarily have to go through. It's something that we'll cover on Monday, April 27th. It's simply here for review if you need it. So for the purpose of this activity, for the digital day assignment, we're really concerned with these four terms: fallacy, false cause, slippery slope, and either or fallacy. So if we take a look, we get a definition and of fallacy, and then we're going to break down fallacy into three different types: false cause, slippery slope, and either or. From that point on in the activity, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to read the definition of the fallacy, you're going to look at a written example, you're going to watch a commercial example, and once you finish watching the commercial, you're going to click on the quiz and take the 2-question quiz. So for each part of this activity, there's a 2-question quiz. You're going to do it 3 times. So we're going to repeat this process for slippery slope. We get our definition, example, we get a commercial, and then we get a 2-question quiz. And then again for the either or false dilemma. We get a definition, example, commercial, and then a short quiz. This is all pretty straightforward. This is all pretty easy. The final thing that we're going to do here is you're going to have to go out and find your own example of one of these 3 fallacies: the false cause, the slippery slope, or the either or. And in order to do so, you're going to use YouTube. You can also use a print example if you want as well, so you could do an image search through Google. But I'm going to recommend doing a commercial. They're just a little bit more interesting to look at. Alright, so your first task is going to be to search Google Images or YouTube for a print or video example of one of the fallacies we've studied. Again, this is false cause, slippery slope, or either or. I'm just going to grab one of the commercials we just looked at in class in this activity. So I'm going to just simply copy the URL, then I'm going to go back to my digital day assignment. And now I'm going to add this to what's called a Padlet wall. And that's what I have down here. This is pretty straightforward. If you're on an iPad or your phone, you're just going to tap the screen twice. You're going to click it. If you're on a computer, you can double click with your mouse, and it's going to bring up a screen like this. What I'm going to do is click on the link. I'm going to paste the URL. I'm going to add it. I'm going to title it. This one is the slippery slope fallacy. And then right here, I'm simply going to add my name. That is it. The cool thing about this is as you guys go through the process, your classmates are going to add their own, and you're going to be able to see what they included, what they found for different fallacies. You can watch their commercials and get a sense of the 3 different fallacies we're studying here today. Let me know if you have any questions via email, and that's pretty much the activity for the day.